Along with natural causes, human activities are also destroying these mountains. Let's assume for a minute that we remove the Aravalli Hills from here. 2 decades ago, water could be found at the depth of 10 meters. But now, even at 150 meters, it is unbelievable. Due to this, the Haryana government suffered a loss of 2500 crores in just 2 years. So, what are the causes of disappearance of the Aravalli Hill? Is it natural or have human mistakes lead to this situation? And what impact will this phenomena have on India? 670 million years ago, where there was little on earth, a mountain range was formed in the region of India, the Aravalli Hill. These hills stretch for Champaner in Gujarat, crossing Rajasthan and Haryana, covering a distance of 693 km to reach India. Unfortunately, these mountains, which hold thousands to millions of years of history, are now becoming history themselves. On one hand, the height of these mountains is continuously decreasing due to erosion, a natural process that cannot be stopped. However, destructive human activities are acting as a crystal in this process, leading to this disappearance of the Aravalli Hill. According to a study between 1975 and 2019, nearly 7.6% of Aravalli Hill, around 5,772 square kilometers, disappeared. Around 3,700 square kilometers turned into barren land, and 775 square kilometers were taken over for human settlements. The report also warned that if this process continues, by 2059, around 22% of the Aravalli Hill, more than 16,000 square kilometers, will be gone. According to research conducted by the Central University of Rajasthan, in the last 20 years, nearly 31 hills in the upper Aravalli range have disappeared, and hundreds of hills have been felted to lower and middle level. Ambuj Kishore, Program Director of the Aravalli Association for Rural Advancement through Voluntary Action and Local Involvement, reports that in Mokhampura village, 70 km from Jaipur on National Highway, a mountain is already half gone and is expected to disappear completely within a year. But you may be wondering, why are we even discussing the disappearance of the Aravalli Hill? It actually makes a huge difference. These mountains not only prevent the Thar Desert from expanding easternward but also regulate climate, water cycle, and mineral production. Recognizing their importance, even the Supreme Court has already repeatedly stressed the need to protect the Aravalli Hill. Yet, mining, construction, and resource extraction are leading to their destruction in both Rajasthan and Haryana. So, what is causing the disappearance of the Aravalli Hill? Is it a natural phenomena, or have human actions accelerated the process? Why is the loss of the Aravalli Hill such bad news for India? And is there still a way to save them? Imagine for a minute that the Aravalli Hill no longer exists. Have you ever thought about what will happen without them? The Thar Desert will not just be confined to Rajasthan. It will expand into Delhi, Haryana, and western Uttar Pradesh. To understand this better, the Aravalli Hills are divided into 4 mountain ranges: the Sambar Sirvoi Range and the Sambar Khetri Range. To the west of these ranges lies the Thar Desert, and to the east, the Gangetic Plains. This region, where two ecosystems meet, is called an ecotone. The Aravalli Hills act as a natural barrier between the Thar Desert and the Gangetic Plain, preventing desert expansion. Strong winds continuously carry sand from the Thar Desert, but the Aravallis block it from expanding easternward. They are also the only geographical feature that prevent warm and dry winds from Pakistan and Afghanistan from reaching the Gangetic Plain, thereby slowing down desertification. However, as the Aravalli Hill disappear, dust storms from the Thar Desert have started entering Delhi, NCR, and western Uttar Pradesh. Eventually, this entire region could turn into a desert. The Aravalli Hills also play a crucial role in regulating North India's climate. During the monsoon, the southwest monsoon winds from the Arabic Sea enter India through Rajasthan, and the Aravalli direct these winds easternward, ensuring rainfall in North India. In winter, they blow cold winds from Central Asia, protecting the fertile plains of North India from extreme cold. If the Aravalli disappear, North India will experience much colder winter. Additionally, the Aravalli region has low groundwater level. These hills are covered in vegetation which absorb rainwater and allow it to seep through the soil and rocks, recharging underground aquifer. Without the Aravallis, groundwater recharge will stop and water levels will drop drastically. Farmer Raja Ram Bala from Harchandpur recalled that 20 years ago, water could be found at just 10 meters deep. But now, even at 150 meters, there is no water. The Aravalli Hills also help mitigate pollution in the NCR region, one of the most polluted area in India. The vegetation of these hills provide oxygen, which is why they are often called the lungs of Delhi NCR. If they disappear, breathing in Delhi will become even more difficult. But why is the degradation happening? Some of it is due to natural causes. The Aravallis are among the oldest fold mountain in the world, and over time, their height naturally decrease. Strong desert winds and heavy monsoon rain continuously erode them. The extreme temperature variation in the desert, ranging from 50 degrees Celsius during the day to 5 degrees Celsius at night, cause the rock to expand and contract, leading to cracks and weathering. Will these natural processes cannot be stopped? The real problem is that human activities are accelerating the destruction of the Aravalli Hills at a dangerous speed. The Aravallis contain some of the largest mineral deposits in India, including copper, zinc, lead, and marbles. The Khetri region has over 300 copper mines, producing nearly 50% of India's copper. Similarly, large deposits of zinc and lead are found in Rajasthan's Bhilwara and Udaipur district. Due to illegal mining, nearly 80% of the Aravalli Hills between Jaipur and Ajmer has been destroyed. Illegal miners have felted in hills along the Haryana-Rajasthan border, causing Haryana to lose 2,500 crores in just 2 years. Illegal mining has also led to severe underwater depletion and air pollution, with pollution level now 3 times the nation average. Recognize this threat. The Supreme Court has ordered a ban on illegal mining in the Aravalli region. However, the Rajasthan government has tried to bypass this order by only recognizing mountain taller than 100 meters, allowing mining to continue a shorter hill. Urban development has also significantly damaged the Aravalli Hills. Satellite data shows that from 1975 to 2019, green cover in the region has declined, replaced by barren land. And human settlements between 1980 and 2016, human settlements in the Aravalli region has increased by 158%. However, there is still hope. Inspired by African Great Green Wall, the Haryana government has launched the Aravalli Green Wall project. This project aims to create a 1400 km long and 5 km wide green belt along the Aravallis, covering 1.15 million hectares across Haryana, Rajasthan, Delhi, and Gujarat by 2027. With proper implementation, the Aravalli Hills can be revived. The question remains: can we balance development and conversion? The answer lies in strong policies, responsible governments, and collective actions. And this is very serious for India. And also, this is very important to inform you.